I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to turn off message requests on X on an iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Step 1. Tap your profile icon on your X home screen and then tap Settings and Privacy. The settings screen opens. Step 2. Scroll down this menu and then tap Privacy and Safety. Step 3. Navigate to Your X Activity section and then tap Direct Messages. Step 4. Navigate to the Allow Message Request From section and then tap to place a checkmark next to No One. Going forward, you'll no longer receive messages on X from people you don't follow. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.